Hi, I'm Mark, and this is Mainstream 101, a 4-part video series in which we're going to teach you everything you need to know to make sure your mainstream network is ready for when your kids go back to school. So let's go over the 4-part curriculum we're going to have for this series. Today, I'm going to teach you all about setting up a user profile so that all of your devices can be broken up by the person that uses them in your home. Next, we're going to go over some parental controls that you can use to make sure that your kids are staying on task at home. Third, we're going to go over some features of our Arlo doorbell cameras so that you can make sure your kids are getting safely back and forth from the school bus to your home. And last but not least, we're going to talk about running a performance test to make sure all of your devices are running smoothly. First things first, let's talk about user profiles. Whenever your kids come home from school on their first day, they're likely going to be bringing home either a laptop or a tablet, something to allow them to do their schoolwork from home, as is a big part of schooling these days. You want to make sure that those devices are both connected properly to your network, but you want to make sure that those devices are being used properly. So what we're going to do is set up a user profile so that we can put all those devices under one umbrella, and that way we can have a little bit more control over what those devices can and can't do. Your technician should set you up with the Mainstream app whenever they complete the install process for you, but if you don't already have it, you can go to the Apple Store or Google Play Store, and in either place, you should be able to search Mainstream Fiber, and you'll be able to find our app. Once you're logged into that, we'll start the user profile creation process. From the dashboard, tap People to create a person profile. Tap the plus button to add a person. You can add a profile picture and a name. Then click Add Things and add whatever devices you want to associate with that person. And once you're done, just hit Save. And that's it, simplicity itself, right? Now, once you set up this profile, there are some basic parental controls that you'll be able to use right away. You can pause internet access to all devices on a profile. You can also set up a timer to cut off internet access at a certain time of day or after a certain amount of usage. And those are some of the basics of setting up a user profile. Now, why did we set up this user profile? It's so that we can use some of those powerful parental controls, right? We're going to teach you how to do that next time on Mainstream 101. So thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you then.